Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some of the coolest, smartest, and most useful gadgets that are making waves right now. Whether you're into photography, productivity, or just love powerful tech that simplifies life, this list has something for you. We've got amazing camera accessories, creative toys, and smart home tools that will blow your mind. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 6, Macro Zoom Lens. If you love taking stunning close-up shots, the macro zoom lens is an absolute game changer. This 10 to 20x HD macro lens works perfectly with iPhones and Samsung smartphones, turning your mobile camera into a professional photography tool. Its crystal clear zoom captures fine details, from textures on a leaf to the sparkle in a human eye, making it perfect for eye macro photography. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to carry wherever inspiration strikes. Plus, installation is simple. Just clip it on and start shooting. Whether you're a content creator or just love capturing the beauty of small things, this lens is pure magic. Number 5. Electric Pencil Sharpener. Say goodbye to hand-cramping manual sharpening. This fully automatic electric pencil sharpener brings fun and convenience to your workspace. Equipped with a 1,500 mAh rechargeable battery, it works fast and smoothly, sharpening pencils to perfection with just a press. The automatic advance and retreat mechanism frees your hands, making it perfect for students, artists, and professionals. Its compact 96 by 126 mm design saves desk space, while the built-in polymer lithium-ion battery ensures long-lasting power. Efficient, safe, and portable. It's a great tech gift for anyone who loves creativity. Number 4. ORICO Metallic Dock. For those who crave speed and connectivity, the ORICO Metallic USB-C docking station is a must-have. With a 10 gigabits per second data transfer rate and PD 100-watt power delivery, this docking station can charge your laptop, transfer large files, and stream 4K content all at once. It's built from metal and ABS materials for extra durability and features multiple ports including HDMI, RJ45, and USB-A. The 4K 60Hz HDMI output ensures a sharp, smooth display for your monitor or TV. Whether you're a designer, gamer, or office pro, this docking station keeps your setup powerful and clutter-free. Number 3. Roadster Block Car. Creativity meets engineering with the building blocks Roadster, a 1/14 scale racing car model made up of 1,314 pieces. It's more than just a toy. It's an immersive hands-on experience that encourages focus, patience, and creativity. Assembling this model enhances problem-solving skills while offering hours of interactive fun. Once complete, it becomes a beautifully detailed collectible sports car that can even include lights or an RC motor kit. It's perfect for kids and adults alike who love cars and DIY projects. A perfect gift to build, play, and display. Number 2. Desview P5ii Monitor. Calling all photographers and videographers, the Desview P5ii Field Monitor is designed to level up your shooting experience. Featuring a 5.5-inch Full HD IPS display with 1920 by 1080 resolution and 800 nits brightness, it delivers clear, vibrant visuals even under direct sunlight. With advanced features like waveform, vector scope, histogram, and focus peaking, it provides precision control for professional results. The monitor supports 4K HDMI input and output without delay, ensuring smooth, real-time monitoring. Built with durability in mind, it also comes with rubber bumpers and a flexible power setup for long shooting sessions. It's a must-have for content creators who need reliability and clarity on set. Number 1. Cordless Bread Knife. Cooking just got smarter with the professional cordless bread knife. Designed for ultimate convenience, this rechargeable 8V electric knife effortlessly slices through bread, meat, turkey, and more, indoors or outdoors. The dual stainless steel serrated blades cut smoothly without pressure, ensuring perfect slices every time. The ergonomic handle allows one-handed operation, while the 2,000 mAh lithium battery gives up to an hour of continuous use. Safe, efficient, and portable, it's ideal for kitchens, barbecues, and even crafting projects. If you want precision and power in one handheld tool, this electric knife is unbeatable. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.